I take a small dessert. I take a small dessert. I smell of fresh bread. I smell of fresh bread. I rub my tired eyes. I rub my tired eyes. I bend down every morning. I bend down every morning. I work from Monday to Friday. I work from Monday to Friday. I received a message from my friend this morning. I received a message from my friend this morning. I am saving money to buy a new cell phone. I am saving money to buy a new cell phone. Learn English is fun. Learn English is fun. I know the answer. I know the answer.
Drink water. It is important for your health. Drink water. It is important for your health.
Children like receiving gifts. Children like receiving gifts.
This gift is to my brother. This gift is to my brother.
I dry my bicycle. I dry my bicycle.
I stir soup for dinner. I stir soup for dinner. After dinner, I eat a delicious chocolate cake. After dinner, I eat a delicious chocolate cake. I wash a dirty knife and spoon. I wash a dirty knife and spoon.
I wave my hand to the children. I wave my hand to the children. I see beautiful butterflies in the garden. I see beautiful butterflies in the garden.
I invite you to take a walk in the park. I invite you to take a walk in the park. Do you see that mountain? Do you see that mountain? Hey, what's been McSpeen? I have been living in Paris for 2 years. Hey, what's been McSpeen? I have been living in Paris for 2 years. The cafe is opposite the post office. The cafe is opposite the post office. I play volleyball with my friends. I play volleyball with my friends.
I am on vacation until next week. I am on vacation until next week. I jump over a small puddle of water. I jump over a small puddle of water.
Do you always go to the stadium to watch soccer matches? Do you always go to the stadium to watch soccer matches? I go the cinema with my friends. I go the cinema with my friends. I clap my hands after the concert. I clap my hands after the concert. After the concert, I go home. After the concert, I go home. I gave my email address to my boss. I gave my email address to my boss. I whisper some words to my coworker. I whisper some words to my coworker. I need some vegetables for dinner. I need some vegetables for dinner. May I see that pink dress? May I see that pink dress? Do you accept payments by credit card? Do you accept payments by credit card? I am driving to my school. I am driving to my school.
Do you take medication regularly? Do you take medication regularly?
Is there a direct bus to the downtown? Is there a direct bus to the downtown? I take the bus every morning to work. I take the bus every morning to work. Where can I find a good restaurant in this road? Where can I find a good restaurant in this road? Do you have a table near the window? Do you have a table near the window? I'd like to order a pasta with lots cheese. I'd like to order a pasta with lots cheese. Could I get a cup of black coffee? Could I get a cup of black coffee? Where is the train station? Where is the train station? How long is the train ride to the downtown? How long is the train ride to the downtown? Where can I buy a train ticket around here? Where can I buy a train ticket around here? Is there a vending machine near here? Is there a vending machine near here? Is there a cafe near this station? Is there a cafe near this station? How much is a cup of tea? How much is a cup of tea? What time does the express train depart Dow? What time does the express train depart Dow? I am waiting until the train comes. I am waiting until the train comes.
Thank you for watch this video and please subscribe our channel for more videos.